Meaning of de-stress.
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 De-stress. The term de-stress refers to the process of actively reducing or eliminating stress that an individual is experiencing. This can involve engaging in relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga, as well as taking time to engage in enjoyable activities or spending time in nature. The result of de-stressing is a reduction in negative emotions and physical symptoms associated with stress, including anxiety, fatigue, headaches, and insomnia. De-stressing can also provide a sense of rejuvenation and increased mental clarity, allowing individuals to better manage challenges and improve overall well-being.